Hi everybody. In the previous video we talked about the debt ratio. In this video we'll talk about the profit margin ratio. The profit margin is a profitability ratio discussed at the back of Chapter 3 in your textbook. This ratio shows the percent of profit in every dollar of sales. The ratio is calculated as follows: net income divided by net sales. On what financial statement would you look to find net income? I think you know that by now. The net income is shown on the income statement. And on what financial statement would you look to find net sales? Net sales is also shown on the income statement of a merchandising business. We won't get into the accounting for a merchandising business till we go into Chapter 4. So for a service business, you can still work the same formula, but instead of using net sales, you would use total revenue. So for a merchandising business, the profit margin is calculated as net income divided by net sales. For a service business, the profit margin ratio is calculated as net income divided by total revenue. Calculate Newton's profit margin for the year ended 12/31/2, given the following information. Please express your answer in the form of a percentage rounded to 1 decimal place. Net sales on their income statement for the year ended 12/31/2 is $600,900, and net income shown on their income statement for year ended 12/31/2 is $240,200. Please pause your video, do your calculations, then start the video again to check your answers. Did you get 40%? $240,200 of net income divided by $600,900 of net sales equals 0.3997. Move the decimal over 2 places to the right, and you have 39.97%. And how do you round that? That 7 forces that 9 up, which in turn forces that 9 up, so it rounds to 40%. Well, that's all for the profit margin ratio. When we come back, we'll talk about the current ratio.